Okay. Can you just briefly, oh, by the way, um, on your ice breaking script, you haven't strictly followed the script, am I right, Teacher H?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you need to be more familiar with the breaking script, and you have to strictly follow that when
Okay,
you
ma'am.
finish the warm up, when you deliver the warm up. Some of the questions aren't there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you need to be more familiar and follow the script in the warm up. So, Teacher Lizelle, you have the script of the ice breaking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to follow that,
Yeah.
right? Okay. So, as you deliver this, you've seen how Teacher Rashid click some buttons here. You think
Yes.
you can follow that. So, the level and target on the first one here, that will be 5. You can see that this is the supposedly if the student hasn't taken the IELTS, 5 is the current is your current
Oh.
level. You are the student, right, Teacher Lizelle? This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
your current level. 6 is your target score. But let's say you already took the IELTS before, then Teacher Rashid can ask your score before when you took the IELTS. That's what you put here. Okay. And then, of course, if let's say you don't have or you still don't have your date for your IELTS exam, then from today, that's September 5, you can redate or date this 1 month after so that it can generate a course plan. All right. So since you have given a date, then that will be the date of your exam. That's recorded here. Okay. And then you save it, then move to the next. Teacher, at this point in time, you don't share the screen. And then, Teacher Rashid, you explained a little bit about the whole speaking, yeah, the
Yes,
mock
ma'am.
test, right? Please do that maybe a maximum of 1 minute, nothing more.
Okay,
Just
ma'am.
briefly explain that, like how many questions in part one. Part two is more like a storytelling. I'm going to give you X amount of minutes to prepare, and then 2 minutes to speak. And
Ah,
then part three is a more generalized question related to part two, and it's composed of 4 questions. That's it. Tama na. Okay.
okay. Ma'am,
Then
hindi na
let's
sorry, ma'am. Hindi na kailangang mag-stick sa script, ma'am?
No, that's it's you're describing lang briefly about the mock test. But
This part
you need to, because this one is not the mock test. This
yes,
is
ma'am.
before the mock test. So you just have to like explain this in a very brief manner, because you remember that warm up, if you can fit it for 5 6 minutes,
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
all. Yeah, you
Um,
did it longer.
yes
Yeah,
po.
you did it longer.
Etong puwedeng i-share 'tong part na 'to, ma'am, when
No.
explaining?
No,
Okay.
you share when you do the answer correction already.
Mm.
So you don't even share from the warm up. You share from
Okay, ma'am.
which part is the most difficult part, and then share that part na sinabing difficult.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here you don't share screen, and then um, do you have some questions on scoring, Teacher Lizelle?
Um, about the scoring, ma'am, and I think it's clear.
It's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have here a minute. You should be able to finish this maybe 55 seconds. I would always suggest to pre-click this before your demo so that already it has generated a score. And then once you're done with part one, and then a bit of um yeah, part one in the mock test, then you can adjust the score based on the answer of your student, right? And then let's move to answer correction, Teacher H. Here, you can see that you can move from part one, part two, and part three. Can you show that, Teacher H? There you
Yeah.
go. There's just like a small arrow going down.
Mm.
You can click, and you can also see that in the file that I sent you, right?
Yeah.
system navigation, and you can
Mhm.
see here on the right, these are some questions, and then these are some buttons. Scroll down, please. You can click this arrow up to make this part where you can type a little bigger and
Mhm.
then save, right? Okay. In part 2, wherein you will need to send the topic to the student, you can go to IELTS Speaking Introduction. Can you click that, Teacher Rach?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
No, hindi pala yan. It's the full mock test.
Ah, here.
Yeah. You can
Para
see that it's
makopy.
easier to copy from here, but
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
also copy from the answer correction. But here, oh wait, can you scroll down? You have to copy all, dear.
Mm.
The
Ah,
whole
yes,
thing.
ma'am.
Highlight. Up to the top.
Ah, dito.
Yes, the whole thing. You should send that to the chat box, right? You can
Ay, okay,
either
ma'am.
get it from here, or you can also get it from where the questions are. And you can save this in your class note. I mean, on your notepad, so that once you're ready to send topic 2 in the chat box, already from the notepad, it's easier to send it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, please.
When correcting answers for part 1 and 3, PREC method yun, ma'am. For part 2, IMF lang po ba ang
Correct.
applicable?
IMF. Yes,
Ah,
IMF.
okay. Thank you,
So,
ma'am.
Teacher Lizelle, you will do a demo on PREC method. So that's either in part 1 or in part 3. So it
Mhm.
means, can you go now to the mock test part, Teacher Rich?
Answer correction, ma'am.
Answer correction. So as you can see, there are several right? Part 1, there are several topics here. Can you show that, Teacher Rich?
This one, ma'am.
Topics. Question yan eh. Left side. Yeah. Scroll down. Yeah. No. I mean, click that
Okay, sorry.
to show the topics in part 1. Diba essential work or studies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Click that. Click the arrow down. Hindi eh. I want you to show the different topics in part 1.
Ito, ma'am.
Different topics. Diba part 1, there are 3 topics?
Yes, ma'am. Ito po.
Yeah. Can
1,
you
2,
show
3.
it?
Ma'am, pag chinik ko kasi maiisa-isa?
Yeah,
Or
correct. That's what I'm asking you to
okay.
do.
Sorry, ma'am. Yan.
Arrow down.
Tapos
Click. Yeah, you see video game. So there are 3 different topics, Teacher Lizelle.
Mhm.
So
Yes, ma'am.
you can share screen where you were able to type the most, because there are several topics in part 1, and there are also several questions in part 1, right? So a strategy would be for you to share the page where you were able to type the most, because there are many, right? Same with you, Teacher Rich.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you're not limited to the first page or the second page, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next would be, hang on a bit. Um, Teacher Rich, no follow-up questions. Let's
Okay,
say you
ma'am.
say, do you play video games? Yes, I do. What kind of video games? No follow-up question. You just deliver
Okay.
the question. Okay?
Mhm. Can we ask, ma'am, if they could add more
No,
to their
no,
answer?
no. No
Diretso
follow-up
lang.
question nga eh.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever is the question, that's it.
Uh-huh.
Right? And then let's move on to the answer correction now. This is where you improved, right? Can you make it bigger? Make the
Which one,
answer
ma'am?
correction part bigger. This part.
Ito, ma'am.
Oo, palakihan mo lang, dear. Nasa
Ito
taas
po.
ka sa baba. Kung saan ka
Okay.
nag-improve ng answer.
Nag-type.
Where you improve the answer. Yeah, that one. Okay, you see that there's original answer, right? At the beginning of the answer correction, Teacher Rich, please write this down. Have some corrections on the original answer. Yes, I play video games. I like to play Mobile Legends, and also you like to play. So here, on the first 2 minutes, you need to make all the corrections, whether pronunciation, sentence structure, tenses, missing linking words. So you do it on the first 2 minutes. The moment there's a lot of mistakes, you need to copy the original answer and then put it in the improved answer already. Okay. So please remember that, because Teacher Rich, your ET1 and ET2 will be assessed, and this
Yes,
should
ma'am.
be done. The sequence must be done, right? So please record it. What sequence you should employ in this part. Okay, so
Yes,
first
ma'am.
2 minutes, correct the original answer, and then after that, before you even okay, click your teaching material now. Before you even teach the PREC method, can you go back to answer correction of part 1? Yung ini-improve na answer?
Saan na yun?
Yeah, which question was that?
This one, ma'am.
Yeah, that one. Okay, so you have here the PREC. Before you even begin to teach the method, you must mention why. Why are you recommending the method? You mentioned that at the end. So, but you should mention that before you even teach. It's just like I'm your student and you are my teacher. Before you
Yes, ma'am.
teach me, you mention why you are teaching this method, so that I will follow you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Opo.
So just like one line, it's to make your answers coherent and logical. Also, we can expand your speech because some of your answers were quite short. That's all. Just the reason. Then you can, how you taught the PREC with interaction. This was very good. Yeah, like you can see here the left side of my screen. Yes, can you please choose one of the phrases here so that we can improve your point? What's the reason, or what will be your answer to this question? So as you moved on, you engage your student. What was also good was that you did not directly correct your student, but you involved your student in improving her answer. Plus, you don't just you don't just sorry, you didn't just involve your student, but also you prompted your student to discover her mistakes. Plus, you also prompted her to come up with some collocations and idiomatic expressions that can make her achieve her band score.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The thing is, hang on a bit. When your student mentioned, you said, "What do you think is wrong here?" Right. So you please don't ask your student to read. You can just show your page. Okay, in this sentence, which do you think is missing here? Or which word can we change here? Don't ask your student to read
Okay,
sentence
ma'am.
by sentence, because they might complain. They're not here to read, they're here to
Yes.
speak.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
So, but when your student mentioned, it's the preposition is, right? First, we don't want to mention some jargons, because they're Chinese. They don't know they don't know that much,
Okay, ma'am.
those words, those jargons. So, um, you can mention linking words when you meant yung is, right? But also, student, is not a preposition. It's a verb to be,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So, of course, you're the teacher. You don't want to go into that. We're not there, right? We just want to correct what's the missing linking words,
Yes,
right? But
makes
we're
sense.
not here to lecture about grammar. But
Okay.
teacher Lizelle, please take note of that. Is not a preposition, okay? Preposition is in, at, on, to, of, yun ang mga preposition. But is a verb to be, okay? Teacher Lizelle,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, please take note of that. And then, once you're already done improving the answer, please make this structured. Kasi nakahiwa-hiwalay, teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Magulo.
What you need to do is copy and put it all in a structured manner. Parang ano na siya, paragraph na. Then you can say, once you've done that, kasi ito parang ano to, parang ano mo siya eh, it's like you worked on it, right? You were teaching. But then, pagkatapos na, i-copy mo na, put it in the improved answer, clear and structured. And then,
Okay.
what you need to do at the end of when you're done, it was very good when you say, how do you like your answer? So, basically, you ask your student all the time kung happy ba siya sa improved answer
Satisfied.
or not, which is very good. Because each and every class, you must always aim to please your student. Because kung medyo hindi pa siya happy, then you can still go on, right? And
Yes,
then,
ma'am.
once your improved answer is already in paragraph form, you can say, okay, I'm going to give you a few seconds, check out your answer. PREC is just your mind map, but you can try to answer again. Now that you know how to do that, I'm going to click the timer again and ask you the question once again. You can have a try.
With the same question, ma'am, or
Correct. Yes.
okay.
Pagkatapos mo i-improve yung answer, double practice. Kasi original answer niya isn't sufficient, right? But you help your student to improve it,
Improve.
right?
Mm.
But it's like section by section. So now that you taught the method, you can ask your student, let's try it again. Now that you know this method, you can use it as a mind map, right? Okay. So look at your answer. I'm going to give you a few seconds. Then let's have a try one more time. Do you play video games? Then click the time. Then magre-recite against his student. No need to ask the student to read. Okay?
Okay.
So once you move on, let's say 20 to 25 minutes in this part, right? Maybe you're done in 15 minutes. You still have 10 minutes in answer correction. So you can move on to another question here.
Okay, ma'am.
Then since you already taught the PREC, it'll be faster, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think the student said my girls. So this one is when you mention she's my girl, like it's like ownership, like she's my
Playing with.
girlfriend, something like that, right? So here playing with some of my girls is really fun. I think
With my.
friends, girls isn't a good paraphrasing for that. Am I right? Or is there another meaning to girls?
Friends, I think, ma'am. I think I would consider it.
When you mention I'm going to meet with my girls, you mean
My
I'm going to
friends.
meet with my friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. When did that happen? Just this year?
Sorry, ma'am. Is this acceptable po ba pala?
I don't think so. It's not formal.
Okay.
Yeah, because when you search what's the meaning of my girls? Is that your daughter?
Okay.
Right? I don't think it means friends. Not unless it has evolved, like here in our country. But
Okay.
I mean, we're talking about IELTS. So
Oh
it
yeah.
has to be accepted
Formal.
in international level, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Because China isn't the Philippines. Okay?
I understand.
Please be
Yes,
careful.
ma'am.
So again, don't ask student to read, and then please share your screen in advance for feedback. You will be very good in your ET1, I tell you, teacher Rachel, because already we have corrected before you even do your ET1. Okay, here you were good. You started with the overall score and then start with a strength, which is fluency and coherence. But the thing is, when you click here, speak without repetition, right? And then um, you put here some jargons, connectors, discourse markers. You have to put some examples. What do you mean by
Mm.
connectors? What do you mean by discourse markers? Kasi student sila, right? So you must
Yes,
break
ma'am.
it down. Example, what are the connectors that you talked about in class? What are some examples of discourse markers, right? And then, what are some advanced conjunctions? Because these are students. And then what you can do is on each category, you need to type some examples and you can also use your tools. You see, there's bold, you can make it bigger, you can also change the colors. You can make this very attractive for your student so that I can remember you, teacher Rashid, that, oh, my teacher has highlighted what are my points to improve on. How can I improve my fluency and coherence? She left for me some examples so I can really understand. You have to
Yes,
put
ma'am.
it here. So when you were talking about pronunciation or you were still teaching, you can still teach a little bit here, but not in the course plan. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Dito ka magsasabi. And you can click this 5 minutes, right? And then lexical resource. Teka, bakit six lahat to?
My
Kanina isa lang yung ano, di ba? Actually,
my
here, it has to be just the strength, yung pinakamataas na score. And then, after ng pinakamataas na score, you move on to the points to improve on, yung mas mababang score,
yes, ma'am.
right? Although now, I'm seeing all equal.
Adjust.
So, let's say, mas mababa yung lexical resource dun sa fluency and coherence. You click here, use a range of vocab, right? And then use paraphrasing. Click, right? And then when you say, tama to, advanced vocabulary, this one is paraphrasing. So noisy, you can use the word disturbance. You can highlight that, put it in another color or something like that. Make it attractive for your student. Then use some idiomatic expression. Then you type there over the moon, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then put their idiomatic expressions. By the way, teacher Rich, idiomatic expression isn't a word, it's an expression.
Yes.
So it's an expression that's probably composed of maybe two or three. It's a phrase that you cannot take it literally. It means another meaning, just
Yes.
like over the moon, right? In a nutshell, like that, to conclude, and so on, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here in the grammatical range and accuracy, can you scroll down a little bit? Yeah. Um, for Chinese students, teacher Rich, they do not know how to make some complex or compound sentence. Maybe you can click that all the time and teach them how to make um, the more difficult sentence pattern, compound or complex sentence. Compound would be two sentences connected by a word in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
And then complex would be like a phrase and then another sentence in one. So it has one phrase, it has one example. I was eating lunch when my friend called me. So then you can put there, use a range of sentence structure, and then make complex sentence. Example, like that. So that in this part, you can always have some things that you can contribute apart from what's in our material.
Ma'am, I have a question po.
Yes, please.
Which things do we need to click on? Are the yung skill po ba nung student, or is it the part that they need to do?
Skill.
Yung kaya nilang gawin, ma'am?
Actually here it's points to improve on. So it can be lacking. They lack on some sentence structures, or they need to use a range of grammatical tenses, just like you can click that and teach them how to make perfect tenses.
Okay, ma'am. Same with the strong points po. For like,
Strong points would be you highlight what is the strong point, but here, when you talk about fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, and pronunciation, I think there is a strength. Yes, it can be probably pronunciation only because they were able to answer your questions in the mock test, and then you, as a teacher, were able to understand what they're trying to say. You can say that can be their strength, but still, most often than not, they have a mispronounced word, even
yes,
if they're advanced. So you can put their highlight, okay, can be understood throughout, good pronunciation, good intonation, except for yung mga mali
okay.
during the answer
And
correction.
then I can just add it here po
Yes,
to improve.
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and then na-discuss na natin yung course plan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, is that clear already in the course plan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's teacher Lizelle, anything that is confusing when it comes to clicking something?
So far, ma'am, my only concern is to the band score feedback.
Okay, can you go back to band score feedback?
For giving feedbacks, is there like only 5 minutes for
all four?
for all feedback?
Mm-mm.
Ah,
So you need to encode 10 words per box at least. Otherwise, you cannot complete. Yung
Mm.
pinindot kanina ni Teacher Rachel, yung save, complete, confirm.
yes.
Sometimes you cannot confirm why kulang yung encoding ni teacher.
It will be like saved here na po.
Can
You
you
don't
show,
have to
can you
type
show
here.
save? Yeah, you know, save complete.
Okay.
Ito, ma'am.
Oh, yun,
Nerase
nakita
ko
mo.
yung
Oh, in-erase mo tapos sabi niya nag-pop up, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Cannot be saved.
Mm.
So because this is a test page. Completed na to completed OT na to.
Mm.
So remember, Teacher Rach, your status need to be all the time completed.
Yes,
Hindi
ma'am.
pwedeng OT, ha?
Hindi talaga yun mababayaran. Or pwedeng nade-dispute naman yun, ma'am.
On your first few, yes.
Okay.
But
Thank you,
then
ma'am.